Hi, this is Rejon Hussain, a student of English department, BIOST Level 1 Term 2. I can easily recall the first day when I entered into BIOST. It was 1st January 2016 and I got admitted in BIOST on 18 February 2016. I had many dreams, especially some exceptional dreams. Before I entered into my university life, I wanted to be an army officer, but with the passage of time, my dream seems to be broken down and I was hopeless. Seeing that, my honorable principal, Colonel Mahabubur Rahman, suggested me to give a visit to their new approved army universities, and I gave a visit to BIOST. It was out of my expectation that a private university may hold well-organized and outstanding campus. Total fact is that I gave a visit to BIOST, I fell in love with BIOST, and I got admitted in BIOST. As a student of literature, I am enjoying my journey to BIOST and I feel proud of my department. I cannot judge other universities' English department, but in my universities, my faculty members are more interested in developing skill in manpower. And their efforts regarding language club activities is a proof of my point of view. Now BIOST is my destiny rather than home, and I wanted to be an administration officer of Bangladesh. With the passage of time, my BIOST life seems to be shortened day by day, but at the same time, BIOST seems to be grown, young, and more attractive day by day. I wish I could stay here lifetime. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Nusrat Khandokarniti. My ID is 510102, Level 1 Term 2. I choose this university because of its name and environment. Our university has a wonderful environment for study. I am a student of English department. Everyone knows that English is the royal department of any university. After starting my study in this university, my helpful teacher make my study pleasing and delightful. So thanks a lot to all my teachers, make my study delightful. To me, the university environment is so fresh. We have a canteen, we have a wellness library and a seminar room also. I am proud to be a part of this royal department. It was my dream that I would study in English. I want to be an English professor at any reputed university. I love my university life. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, I am Fitusi Akhtar Riju. My ID is 510103. I am from English department. I want to share with you some feelings about my journey to BIOST. When first time my father knew about BIOST, he offered me to take admission in English department or CSE department. I choose CSE department because I am a student of science background. This is comfortable for me, but my father want to admission in English department. He offered me, if you graduate from English department, you can choose many types of profession like a teacher, banker, BCS cadre, etc. Then I changed my decision and I take admission and selected and also admitted in English department. Now I have a secret aim, that is I want to choose my profession as a English newsreader. Sometimes it makes me hurt or unhappy when someone asks me what is your university, then I say this is BIOST. They say this is the university, where it is. It's hurt me, but I can understand this is a new university, but it's make me happy when, and I am inspired when I know and I can understand this is new university. Then my department organize many types of program. It can be enjoyable. It can we can learn in many things. Then I think no, my university is best. My department is best. This university is very green nature based. I like it most, and my university maintain many types of rules which is well-being for us. I am lucky to get some expert, skillful teacher. They are very friendly, which are inspired for our student life. I try my best to complete my duty as a responsibility, as a good student, also a good person. Thank you all.
to sit in front of my lovely and my favorite classroom.
Hi, I am Sanjana Nidhi from Level 1 Term 2. I am a student of BIOST and my university is like a home for me. At first I want to share with you about my first day at university. This was very good for me. I was waiting for the precious moment. I was feeling very nervous at the same time. This was very excited moment for me. I was lost and I had asked to one person about my classroom and the man was very good and told me the right way. Then I entered the classroom and my journey started. As a student of English department, my department is like a royal department for me. My university has a beautiful campus and if anyone wants to visit my university, this was a very good choice, I think. And then I want to share with you about my aim in life. Every man should have an aim in life. A man without an aim is like a ship without a rudder. So I have a definite aim for my life. I want to be a lecturer and serve the people. Thanks to being with me. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Kamalika Gushtoma, Level 1 Term 2. My ID is 5101005. I am a student of BIOST. I chose this university because of its reputation, name and environment. I am a student of English department and English is the royal department of any university. So I am proud to be a part of this university in this department. The specialty of our university is we have lovely teacher and friendly classmates. So this journey of my university is awesome. Thank you.
Hi, I am Mr. Jahansin. I am a student of English literature. Level 1 Term 2. From the very beginning, I want to be an English literature student. So I am tried for public university, but I was not listed for this. At this time, I am very hopeless and helpless, and I think that my aim is in. At this time, my friend suggested me. Yeah, I fill up the form of BIOST. BIOST is my destiny. I chose this university because this their environment is very fresh and very nice. My department is near family and my faculty is a guardian. At this time I am very enjoying my life and I don't live in this campus because I want to be a teacher of BIOST. Thank you.
Hello, I am Nandini Poddar. My department is English. I am now in Level 1 Term 2. My ID is 5101007. Actually, I am a girl who loves to enjoy her life the most. I have a specialty and that's why I love myself so much. I am a self-dependent girl. I don't like to depend on any other. I just hate this type of mentality. I love outing, sleeping and shopping also. In 2015, when I completed my HSC exam, I was totally confused where should I admit myself. Then my family suggested me about BIOST. Before my admission test, I visited this varsity. In first impression, I loved the varsity environment, varsity campus. Now I am a student of English department of BIOST. I got some fabulous teacher, ma'am. They are so caring, humble. I also completed a drama. That's conducted Miss Laila Noor. She is so helpful and creative person. Ataullah Noori sir is so nice man. He treat me like my father, like my parents. He's so nice man. Then my friends are so friendly. I always singing with them, teasing with them. We make so much fun. Last of all, I say I want to be a professor like my father, and I think BIOST can help me to be a professor and fulfill my dream. I love BIOST. I love BIOST campus and love you, my teachers, ma'am, and love all my friends.
Hi, I'm
Simon sir. I am a student of English department, level 1 term. Now I am telling about my university. Firstly, I came to know my university from my college teacher, Mr. Kamsula sir. He suggested me to make a visit this university. He told me that if he touched my heart, I got it. Then I came to BIUST and I just fell in love with BIUST. Then I applied, I got chance, I admitted in BIUST in 9th February. I had wrong concept about a private university. I thought that it's just a BT. But when I saw BIUST campus, my concept was totally changed. I had no regret that I am a student of private university. I want to be a learned person rather than educated person. I believe that BIUST will fulfill my dream. BIUST is just heaven for me. Thank you.
ID 510109, level 1, term 2. First of all, I want to say about varsity life. Varsity life is very enjoyable for all students. I also enjoy my varsity life. The name of my varsity is Bangladesh Army International University of Science and Technology. I choose this university for its rule and discipline and environment. I did in English department. From my childhood, my dream was to read in English because English is an international subject and a royal department of all university. So I chose this subject, and job facilities are very good in future. Our all faculties members are very helpful. They always help us. I spent a good time in varsity because 8 members of my English department are my school friend. I spent a nice time with them. I never feel sorrow. I feel proud because I am a BIUSTian, and I also feel proud because I am a part of Bangladesh Army. I love my varsity a lot and my department also. Thank you.
Hello, I am Nasrin Tamanna, ID 51011010, level 1, term 2. Frankly speaking, I have admitted in this university only because of the title Bangladesh Army, because I love Bangladesh Army and my aim in life is to become an army officer. But now I love my university too, not because of the title, because of the environment, my new friends, because all of this I have started enjoying my varsity life. And from my view, the specialty of our university is we have uniform, and I love this uniform. And the specialty about our department is our teachers. They are so friendly and they are so cheerful. And the interesting part about our department is we have girls' power. If we see the number of male students and faculties, they are less than if compared to the number of female students and faculties. However, in briefly, I just say that I feel proud to be a part of Bangladesh Army International University of Science and Technology, and I love BIUST. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rim Choudhury in Department of English in Bangladesh Army International University of Science and Technology. I am in level 1, term 2. I am talking about my first day at this university. I immediately fell in love with this university when I first came in this university because the campus is full of nature. Personally, I like to remain close with the nature. Previously, I thought that
The private university is just a large building, but I was totally surprised when I visited this university. I feel very happy when I think that I will pass my upcoming 4 years in this green campus, in this heart-soothing campus. And I wish I could be a lecturer of this university so that I may remain close with this legend. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mirza Abdullah Faisal, a student of English Department, Level 1, Term 2. I cannot be serious about anything in my life, but when I become the student of BIUST, I realized that I have to be serious. At the first time when I came here, everything was making me frustrated. I could not maintain any academic rules, and I was about to leave this university. But my teachers' love and care made up my mind to stay. And BIUST is well disciplined, so I discovered that I am becoming more punctual and smarter. Day by day I have started loving this university. And my teachers are more than a teacher, they are like my guardian. So I want to say BIUST really cares for us. Thank you.
Hi, I am Taslima Sultana. I am from English Department, Level 1, Term 2. I think I am very lucky that I have gotten the chance to study here such a reputed university like BIUST. When I first entered the university, I found a very different environment which was very lovely and fresh. I started my journey here from 6 March 2016. At first I was very nervous and afraid about my teachers and my friends. But after a few days I found that my teachers and my friends are very careful and lovely. And now I am happy with my university and my teacher, and I stay in female dorm and I am starting to spend the best moments of my life. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Mahmouda Nasrin Shima, Level 1, Term 2. This is my university, BIUST. For the first time when I came to BIUST, I was not supposed to get admitted here, but fortunately or unfortunately, my parents decided to send me here. I was bound to came here, so when I came here and started living in hostel, I was frustrated and disappointed because I missed my family a lot. I was hopeless. I thought that I couldn't live here. So, but after first semester, I am stable and static here. I think it has been possible for my teachers and fellow mates. Big thanks to them. Another thing, the decision to study literature is a big struggle for me because I had a dream of being a doctor. But it's a great pleasure that we are the pioneer batch of Department of English. I want to share a memory of the first day of our class. It was 7th March 2016 and our classroom was not completely set up yet. So we did our class in the seminar room, and in the second day we got our classroom. And now we, the students and the teachers are like a family. I love them a lot. I want to say about my ultimate dream also. I want to be a BCS administration cadre in our country. Besides study, I am very fond of music and traveling. Thank you all. Best wishes for my department and my university.
Hello, I'm Naghanuddin Kashi, Department of English, Bangladesh Army International University of Science and Technology, Level 1, Term 2. First, I want to tell something about BIUST. I sat here 3 months ago, and now I'm here to share my experiences. Actually, in the last few months, BIUST has changed my life dramatically. I came from a small village and always dreamed for something big, and BIUST has been always giving me that opportunity and chance for making me improve myself and making me more perfect than yesterday and building me for tomorrow. Actually, now, last but not the least, $1 billion question: why I choose English department. Actually, I think everyone has different motive and intention why they choose English as a major subject. I'm also, like you know. Actually, we all know that literature is the best way to shape our own selves, and it's the big reason for me that's why I chose English as a major subject. And also English is an international language. That's why we can turn in different ways as we want, and this is also a good reason that's why I chose English as a major subject. And at last I want to share something very exclusive that I never share again. Never share before. That I want to join as a faculty in BIOST as in English department. And as I said earlier, we are a family. We are 33 siblings, and our faculties, our guardians, our parents, and everything. I love I love my university. I love my department, and I love to be a BIOST here. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Anfarabin Mudbila from BIOST English Department. Today I would like to share my thoughts about my university, my department and my future plan. Before coming here I was very frustrated. I always dreamed for studying at defense. Then one of my friends informed me about BIOST. At first I had no interest in studying at English department, but my mother encouraged me to admit it here because it was an army institution. At the very beginning, I faced many problems to understand literature, but my teachers, my friends helped me a lot. My university is like a heaven to me. I enjoy every single moment in my university. This is my favorite classroom, where we make fun, where we study, where we sing, where we dance, and this is the place where we tease each other, where we fight with each other, and this is the place where we laugh together. It's my class where I spend my best times every day. I'm very lucky to be part of this institution. This is our university logo. When I wear this dress, I feel like I'm a part of army. My department never busy with just study. They involve us extracurricular activities, so there is no chance to feel bored. Thanks to my university for everything. My aim is to be a part of defense, and my second dream is to go abroad. I hope and I pray my God, my Almighty will help me to fulfill my dreams, and I know my faculties are always with me. I love my university, I love my department. Yes, I am proud BIOST here.
Hi, I am Shubhata Bapari. I am in level 1 term 2, Department of English, BIOST. First of all, I want to say that from childhood, I raised in a disciplined environment. So, when the question of my higher education came, I was looking a good disciplined university. Then I came to know about BIOST, and I am feeling very lucky to become a student of this university. BIOST maintains its discipline through some rules, and we the students of BIOST have to maintain these rules strictly. We have a very beautiful campus, and so we have a very serene environment to study. Well, English is one of my favorite subjects, and I like literature also. So I take admission into the Department of English. I like my department very much. Our faculties are very caring and friendly to us, and my classmates are also very helpful. Well, after completing my post-graduation, I want to join a multinational company and thus serve my country. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Israt Jahan. My ID is 51012020. From my childhood, I liked natural beauties a lot. When I came to visit my university with my parents, I liked it very much because it's a place of natural beauty. My parents also liked it. Then I took a decision to get admitted into this university. All the activities in our university placed in a very disciplined manner because it's a university of army, and our university is a great university, I think, because in our university all the activities is placed in very disciplined way. When I came to this university, my parents told me to take admission in English department because literature is the reflection of our life and society, and before few days we staged a drama in our university, and it was a great pleasure for us. I love my university a lot and I want to be a lecturer of our university.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Jannatul Firdaus. I'm a student of Biology in Department of English, Level 1, Term 2. Biology is a reputed university in our country because it is sponsored by Bangladesh Army. As a result, it maintains many rules and disciplines. We are always trying to maintain these rules. I like many things of our varsity, especially our varsity library. Our varsity library. It enriches many knowledgeable books. We are acquire many unknown information about the world and famous person what happening in their life. Our department is as a familiar as a royal department. It arranges many cultural programs and celebrate many specialty. Our teachers are so good and they behave with us friendly. I want to in future I want to be a lecturer of English and a good person. I also want to serve my country people. I feel very proud for reading this reputed university. At last, I want to say I love my university very much.
Hello, I am Ati Akhtar Asha. My ID number is 510124, Level 1, Term 2. I am a student of Biology in Department of English. I think our university is the most reputed university in our country. I think our university, especially that it is sponsored by Bangladesh Army. I like my university because it is surrounded many natural environment, and I like my library also because it is surrounded many lot of books. Our university has a lot of discipline. Among our university students maintain all discipline. Our university teachers very friendly with us. They behaved us like our family. At last, our department is a royal department. I like our department also because because our department teachers arrange lot of programs and functions like a Shakespeare's Day. At last, now I want to graduate. I want to complete my graduation, and then I want to join in Bangladesh Army to serve my country. And I proud my university.
Hi everyone, I am Mustajib Nani from Level 1 Term 2 of English Department of Biology. I have a different incident to coming in this university. Previously, I was a student of textile engineering in another university, but it was not so interesting for me. Then I came to know about Biology and I came to visit here. I like this university very much because it is a very beautiful university and also a very secure place. Then I decided to get admitted in this university. From my childhood, English is my favorite subject, and so that I got admitted into English department. Our teachers are very helpful to us, and also my friends are very helpful. And I have an aim in my life that in future I want to be a lecturer of English department. And today I must say that I feel really proud for my university.
Hi everyone, I am Jannatul Farjana. My ID is 510127. I am a student of English Department, Level 1, Term 2 in Bangladesh Army International University of Science and Technology. Naturally, I am very introvert. When I came to this university, it was very difficult for me to cope up with this new environment. I had a few friends and I found some good teacher and helpful. They helped me to feel at home. Gradually, I am comfortable and started enjoying my university life. And I also love my university's campus and environment, fresh environment. English department is a royal department at any university, and I'm proud to be a part of this department. And it was my dream I would study in English, and I want to be a English professor at any reputed university. That's all. I love my university.
Hi, I am Nirupal Nishi, ID 510128, student of Bangladesh Army International University Science and Technology, Department of English. Firstly, I had no idea about this university. When I hear the name of this university, I wanted to know about this university more and more. That's why I visited here with my parents. After seeing the rules and the regulation and environment, I am totally impressed. That's why I decided to go to myself in this university. In the Department of English, the teachers are very friendly and helpful. They are the best teacher in my life. I want to be a government officer. For a government officer, English is very important. That's why I choose myself from English. I think this university will help me to reach my ambitions. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Sanjita Kalam, Department of English, Level 1, Term 2, and my ID is 510109. Thank you for giving me a chance to say something about my university and my department. Actually, I will always go to this university because this university has given me a second chance when I was totally trackless. I can recall the very moment when I cried all day. And I also did not know about this university. And then one day my mother came to me and told me about this university. Then I think, okay, let's give a second chance to yourself. Then I got admitted here. And this university is like a gift from the God. And that's why I will always go to this university. Honestly speaking, my uni life was something else. But from the very beginning of my student life, I used to love reading English, and because of this love, I think I have admitted in this university and in this department. I can recall the moment when my present mentor, Mr. Ataullah Nuri sir, had taken my interview, and I had told him about my aim in life and about the journey in this university why I am admitted here. Then he told me that man, Papa just got this business. This compliment has totally changed my mind and totally changed myself. Then I told to myself that yes, give yourself a second chance, and what is planned by Allah, that is best for you. Then I said to myself, okay, I will never give up again in my life. I will try my best, and now I wanted to be a professor in English, and I think if Allah is with me, then I will do good and I will become a very renowned professor. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Tanjuma Rahman Sumaya. I am a student of BIOS Level 1 Term 2 from English Department. Now I would like to share with you about my experience in BIOS. Actually, I had no plan to admit here because I was totally unknown about this university, but by a dramatic incident I came to know about this university. When I came here for my admission, I was totally surprised that a private university's campus can be so much well organized and its environment is also so much secure. When I get admitted in this university, then I feel that my faculty members are too good. They are just like parents. They treat us just like their children. And now my present mentor is Mrs. Tain Bint Anam. She is so much close to me, and she suggests me in my problems and gives me solutions. Now I feel very blessed that I am a student of BIOS, and I think that I will do good in this university. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Jannatul Naeem, student of BIOST, level 1 term 2. Today I am gonna share with you about my first experience in BIOST. After my HSC examination, I was looking for an institute to complete my graduation which is safe and secure. Which is because in our society nowadays girls are so insecure and unsafe. One day my father asked me to visit the BIOST campus. He also said that it is in Cantonment area, so I was interested. I visited this campus and that day I decided that I would came here because the campus is so beautiful, full of natural beauty and smoking free, noise free. I got myself admitted in English department. I found here our fellow mates are so helpful and friendly. Our teachers are so supportive, and today I must say I feel very proud to be a part of this BIOST family. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. I am Janatul Aslam Nidi. I am from English department, level 1, term 2. My ID is 5101033. I feel very lucky that I am a part of this university. It is the pioneer university of Bangladesh Army. The motto of our university is knowledge, wisdom and technology. This motto gives me inspiration for admitting here. Our university is located in the secure and sharing environment of Kumila Cantonment. It offers a highly secure and academic-friendly environment. I can still remember my first day in this university. I was very nervous but also very curious to know about these institutions. And on my very first day in this university, I noticed that everyone is very cordial and helpful. The most special thing that I feel that is the rules, regulation and discipline of our university. When I entered on the first day, when I entered in library, I found a huge collection of books, and that made me fall in love with this university. I chose English department for continuing my journey here. Our English department aims at providing instruction and carrying out research both in traditional and current areas of English studies. Our teachers are very humble, friendly, meritorious, and also amiable. Our classmates are friendly, helpful, and fun-loving. We occasionally organize different types of programs and enjoy a lot. And at the end, I feel that when I entered in this university, it was totally unknown for me. And now, day by day, it's becoming like my family, and I'm another part of my life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sumaya Akhtar, ID 510034, level 1, term 2, Department of English, student of BIOST. BIOST is very special for me. When I came to know about BIOST, I feel very excited to visit it because I heard that BIOST is very beautiful and well disciplined. For the first time when I came to visit here, the environment of BIOST pleased me very much, and then I decided to get myself admitted here. I made my decision to study in English literature. When I get admitted here, I found all the teachers are so helpful. There are best teachers in my life. Because I think they are our parents also, because they are so concerned about us as like my parents. I wanted to be a teacher. After seeing them, I think my decision is right. I wanted to be a teacher as like my department teacher. Really, BIOST is very special for me. I feel very proud to be here. Thank you.
Hi, I am Ankita Shahaka. My ID is 510135. University of BIOST, level 1, term 1. Changes can make the people overwhelmed with the newness of the situation, and moving from a high school to a university is the largest changes of my life. Our university looks very beautiful and it was very interesting to me. When I get admission, at first I wanted to be a doctor, and then I get admission in BIOST. When I get admitted into BIOST, I wanted to be a good teacher. Our university looks very beautiful and it was very interesting to me, and our university is very special for another university. Its natural beauty looks very beautiful. and its natural beauty looks very beautiful, and English is very important of every student. I would like to read English literature book. When I read literature book, I know many things about literary terms. English is also called an international language, so I choose English department. I like our department very much, and our teachers are teaching very well. Well, they are very friendly of every student. I like our department very much, and I am very proud of my university. Thank you.
Hello, I am Kanta Mahfuza, Level 1 Term 2, Department of English. Today I share it with some memorable moment in this university. When I got admitted in this university, I was very afraid about my new educational institution and my subject. Since English is second language, so it is not easy to be fluent in this language, but I got some meritorious and friendly teacher from whom I easily understand my study and academic knowledge. They help us not only teach us academic knowledge, but also they teach us some different type of knowledge such as cultural activities and debating. In our campus, we have library, language lab and computer lab which help us to facilitate our study. My friends are also cordial and helpful. So I enjoy my university life. Now I am very proud of my teacher and my friends.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Murjina Akhtar Arjun. My ID is 51037. I am a student of BIOS in English department. We know English department is a royal department. Our department teachers are very friendly and my all friends are very helpful. Our university is a very reputed university because our university has a sponsored by Bangladesh Army. We know Bangladesh Army is a very oil discipline and our university has also oil disciplines. We maintain these rules and disciplines. Our university has many facilities, especially library room. I love library because most of the time I spend with library. Our library has many knowledgeable books, so we enrich our knowledge reading these books. Every person has an aim of his life, so I have also an aim. When I complete my graduation, I want to be lecturer of English. So I hope Allah mercy with me, and at last I said that I love my university and I proud my university. Thank you.
you.